what's up, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to solve practice set 2 problems from 1 to 6. So let's get started. So the first question is, write a Python program to add two numbers. And by the way, if you have not access to my source code link is in the description. You can check it out if you want the solutions on all the source code of this course. So first question, write a Python program to add two numbers. So here I will create one file pro1.py. Then here I will zoom it out. Then I will close this sidebar, and here I'll create two variables a and b. And here I want to assign, I will take input from user. So here what will I do is int, I want input as integer. If I will take and in by the way, if we will use input, it is taking by default as a string. So we want integer to do to both to add the both numbers. So int input, and I will create enter a number. Then here I will do same for b, control c, control v. Then I will enter here another number. Then here I will print a plus b. A plus b. So easy as pie. So we have solved this question. It is very much easy. So 23 plus 67, it should give me 90. So yeah, we have solved the first question. So second question, write a Python program to find remainder when a number is divided by z. So here I will write another pro2.py. Then here I will zoom it out. Then here I will write a is equals to ask the user. In input I will take float, because the user can also input me the float value too. So you can use int, no problem, but I would recommend float. So here I will do input and enter a number. Again I will ask. Then I will here write z, because it should be divided by z according to problem 2. So here I will write float, then input, enter a number, enter another number, enter another number. Then here I will write print the modulo of a divided by z. So you can use modulo operator, which gives the remainder when two numbers are divided. So it would give the remainder. So let us check. 10 divided by 3, which should give us 1 as in remainder, 1.0. Let's go. So it have given us the remainder when divided by z. So we have done 1 and 2. Now let us check the type of a variable assigned using input function. So third problem says that if user entered, so we have to check the type of variable assigned using input functions. So here I will do type, let us say data type is equals to input function I will use, and here I will write enter data type, and here I will take input from the user, and I will write print the data type is, and here I will write put comma and use the type function. So here type data type. So I'm checking which data type it is by using the type function. So control save this program. If I will write 23, so it is class string. So it would be always class string, because if we are using input as an if we are using input function, so it is taking by default the string always, even if I've entered integer here. So if I will enter here integer, so it would be string, because it is taking always default, it is taking string. So if we want to take input and input, so it would always take input integer value only. So then only it will show, and then only it will show the real data type 23. So it have given class int. And what if I will enter string? So let us check what will happen. So it would give me an error, because I have given here an int, because it will take only int input. And but we have to take only integer, or so we can only use the default input if we want. So we have solved this question, because it will always give us an string, no matter whatever. So it will only give us string. Any random characters, it will give us string. So it doesn't depend, means it will only uh, give output as an string. So let us move on to fourth question. So fourth question says that use comparison operator to find out whether a given variable is greater than b or not. Take a equals to 34 and b equals to 80. So pro4.py, then a equals to 34 it was, and b equals to 80. So we have to check that whether a is greater than b. So I will write uh, print the the a is greater than b. Is it true or false? Let us check. So a greater than b. So let us check whether it is true or false. And it is recommended that we should always wrap up this in parentheses. So it is always recommended. So a is greater than b is false, because b value is greater than a. As simple as that. So problems.py. So now let us do question 5. So question 5 says that write a Python program to find an average of two numbers entered by the user. So if we want to find the average, is the sum of the values and upon number of values. So I will create profile.py, and it will give me the, I will close the sidebar, then a equals to int input here, and then here I will write enter the value of a. Then here I will do same for b. So here alt, here I will do multi cursor and b. Then here what I will do is c average is equals to, I will create one more variable here, a plus b divided by 2, because they are in I will do it this in parentheses. So I'm taking two numbers plus I will do the sum of these two numbers divided by 2, and I will print average. Oops, sorry, average. I will print here, and I will control save this program and run this code. So it will give me average, like 50, and second value is 100. So 100.0. Why so? Let me check. And it is giving me and something error. So here I will wrap first a plus b, then divided by 2. So we should always wrap up this all in parentheses, so something went wrong. And here I should do like this. I give an extra parenthesis, so it should work now. So if I will do 100 and divided by 50, so it is giving me 75.0. So now it's correct. So this was easy. Average, if you want to find out, you can do number of observation upon sorry, sum of observations upon number of observation. I will write here for your reference. Sum of observation, sorry, sum of numbers divided by number of observation, number of obs. So I will comment this out, control forward slash, not this one. I will do hashtag this one, and average is equals to sum of number upon number of sorry, upon the number of numbers. So this is the formula for average. Now then, sixth question is write a Python program to calculate the square of a number entered by user. So problem 6.py, and if we want to do the square, so here I will write a is equals to int input, then enter the value of a, sorry, value of a. So I will do the square, print a times a, as simple as that. So it would give me the square of a. So if I will write here 100, so it should give me 10,000. Yes, it's correct. So here we are, and we have solved all the problems. And if you want the solutions of these problems, you can check out my um, GitHub profile. Link is in the description. You can check it out. And if you have not subscribed, and if you have not accessed this playlist, so you can access by clicking here bookmark, and you can save this playlist. And in this playlist I will be uploading all the videos of Python. So I will see you next time.